5 ways to make your home healthier. Welcome to our Fast Clean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Each of us wants a comfortable, safe and healthy home. Having this kind of home will make our family's health better. At a time when our health is of utmost importance, taking the necessary steps to make your home greener, comfortable and healthier is an absolute must. There are many steps one can give and take within the home to create this type of home. Fortunately, it is possible to do this with just 5 steps or changes that you can implement. Some of these are easy, while others may challenge your habits. In any case, it is worth it to consider every single one of them, since this is especially for the sake of our family's health. Number 1. Control the amount of dust. Dust is one of the main reasons people's allergies get aggravated. Other than that, the contents are anything but harmless, since it has chemicals, retardants, and even pesticides. One thing you can do is to replace your wall-to-wall carpeting with solutions like hardwood, cork, tile or non-vinyl linoleum. Frequent vacuuming is still necessary, as is ensuring the vacuum bag and canister is empty of dust when you start. You don't want to be spreading dust all over the rooms. Number 2. Filter tap water. When it comes to drinking water, you may want to filter tap water, instead of relying on bottled water. Research on some of the most popular brands of bottled water reveals that the liquid contains contaminants, which can be toxic. It is not that tap water is pristine either, but you can at least get a pitcher-style water filter to better the situation. You can also search for a filter that attaches to the faucet or the plumbing system itself, which acts to remove any trace of contaminants from the water that flows your taps. Number 3. Clean regularly. This may be easier said than done, but it is something you need to address. Cleaning your home removes contaminants from the air and the surfaces that are around. It is best to establish a cleaning routine and stick to it. Employ harmless cleaning solutions. You'd be surprised just how dangerous some of the conventional brands are. Don't shy away from getting a professional deep clean from time to time as well. The pros can clean on a whole different level when it comes to thorough sanitation. Getting the carpet, curtains and upholstery deep cleaned will get rid of contaminants and allergens. It will refresh the air inside your home too. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new Fast Clean videos. Number 4. Leave allergens at the door. Another great practice you can employ is to leave your shoes at the door. You'd be surprised what amount of allergens they accumulate throughout the day. For all of it to stay outside and not enter your home, you should always leave the shoes at the door. You should also add a good quality mat outside, to wipe your feet at. Number 5. Ventilate all rooms. Ventilating your rooms is a good way to remove volatile compounds and allergens from the air. Don't forget to open doors and windows when the weather allows it. Even just a few minutes of air circulation frees the air of harmful compounds. Adopting these tips for your home will surely make the environment in it healthier and cater to your whole family's well-being. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about the 5 effective ways to make your home mosquito-free. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Fast Clean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.